Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Moderns. Today we have set number 30497. First order heavy assault walker, has 54 pieces, poly bag. Get them at most of your stores, Target, Walmart, whatever. Neat little build. Can't afford the bigger one yet, so I figured, hey, we'll give this one a shot and see what happens. So let's open this up and see what we got. Alright, cool. Pretty normal. Little instruction manual and our pieces, so we can get to building here. Alright, so now for a quick little review. Overall, for a poly bag, I feel like this is a pretty decent little set. Definitely represents the shape of it. It's got lots of articulation in all the legs. You can move them all around. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, it definitely, having seen the movie, now I can say it definitely actually looks like the thing from the movie, at least for the size and the pieces they could use on it. So overall good build. Relatively cheap set. I think they're like $3 or $4, so I will link in the description the Amazon link if you guys do want to go buy this. If you do go buy that from Amazon, helps the channel out. We get a small cut of that. Doesn't cost you any extra. And this has been another episode of the Moderns. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see everybody next time around.